Hey everybody, Larry Callahan here from ProTouring.com with an update on our Bel Air project. We've got a 55 Bel Air that we're modernizing, trying to make it as much like a new car as possible. Fuel injection, supercharger, ABS, and some cool electronic goodies. So thought I would go over and do a little pre-install, show you some goodies that are going in, because after it's installed, you can't really see much of this. So one of the things we're doing is updating the dash. So Classic Dash now makes this really cool insert. They make them out of, it's a really thick plastic, I think it's ABS. And they make them in different finishes, like an aluminum brushed finish and a matte finish and a carbon fiber finish. And so this is like the first one they made. So this goes on the steering column. So all the goodies there, clips, screws, and whatnot for the 55 now. And then for the speaker side or the passenger side, I picked up a cool insert to go over on the right-hand side. I'm going to put the Bel Air logo here, and then I'm going to look for a clock, modern digital clock to go here that has the same blue color as the Racepak stuff. So this is what's going in the dash. I'll make a little room here for this. Yeah. They also make, Classic Dash also makes dashes for just about any kind of car and just about any kind of gauge, be it Racepak or pretty much anybody else. Typical round gauges, there's some square digital dashes they make as well, but Classic Dash makes a dash for just about anything, so check them out. So what we're going to do, instead of putting a whole bunch of gauges all over the place, is we're going to do a nice single Racepak IQ3s. This is the street version. They make non-street versions and street versions, and I chose to go with the street version because it has a lot of cool features like turn signaling indicators and parking brake and high beam indicator and all that stuff. It's all pre-set up, pre-configured. Cool. Nice stickers. So this thing is really awesome that not only does it come with an IQ3s dash, it also comes with temperature sensors, pressure sensor, all the instructions. It comes with isolating mounts for all the goodies that come in the bag. There's the temperature sensors in here, and there are even push buttons. They even supply push buttons so you can toggle between screens that you can pre-configure. USB cable if you want to do some tweaking to the software, pressure sensor, and of course the wire harness. So one of the cool things about the street version of this is you just run these wires to things. Like one of them goes to your left turn signal, one goes to your right turn signal, one goes to the parking brake, one goes to your high beam, one goes to your headlights. So the lights, or the dash, the brightness of the dash dims down when you turn the headlights on. So there's all kinds of goodies in here that's all pre-set up. You get your tachometer, your speedometer sending unit, you can get, there's a trip meter and an odometer and all that stuff. So it's very much just like an OEM dash with all the goodies. USB thumb drive for all the configuration and programming of it. You can just plug it in and wire it just like they say and use it like it is, or you can customize it for yourself. So that is a quick overview on the IQ3s, the street version, that we're going to put in the 55 Bel Air. I'll post some videos of all this stuff installed here fairly shortly, as soon as I get some time to put it all in. The next real kind of cool goodie is a Smartwire. And it's not just any Smartwire, it's their street version of the Smartwire. So for those of you that don't know what a Smartwire is, it's a power distribution module that replaces all of your circuit breakers and relays and everything with a solid state, no moving parts box. And this one is also configured as the street version. So once again, it comes with a USB thumb drive, nice boot to protect the the main battery cable that's going to power the unit. It's got connections for communication. You can hook this to your dash and all kinds of other sensors. You can customize it to your heart's content with pressure sensors, temp sensors, tire temp sensors, asphalt, all kinds of stuff. They have a pretty much unlimited supply of sensors, steering angle, and so, and it also comes with the switch module. So this gets plugged into this, and you can just hook push buttons or toggle switches into this. So you can put this back up somewhere on your dash and run wires from your switches straight to that, and it will tell the Smartwire what to do, what to turn on, what to turn off, and it should work right out of the box. Just plug it in, but you can, once again, customize it to your heart's content. So here is what I think is a really awesome part of the street version of the Smartwire. It's got a harness. This is amazing, and this is going to save a lot of time. So these two plug into the back of the Smartwire unit, and all these labels, I know you can't see it from back there, but all these wires, they're labeled. So they're all labeled for inputs and outputs. Like here's an example, just pull out a wire. This one goes to the starter motor. It says right on it. This one goes to the ignition. This one goes to the high beams, your headlight high beams. You know, right turn signal, left turn signal, low beam, headlight. I mean, everything is all pre-configured. Wiper motor. So it is all pre-set up. Even look at this big monster wire to run your fans. So this is awesome. This is going to save a tremendous amount of time. So rather than having to pick up somebody's wire harness and wire the whole thing and hook it up, all of this is your harness. Everything gets locally grounded. You know, your headlights get grounded locally, your turn signals get grounded locally, and these will power all of them. So some of these wires are inputs, some of these wires are outputs. There are extras that are not being used, so you can hook up extra accessories that you have, you know, that are not predetermined already. And you also have that connector for the switch module that comes with the Smartwire. This is going to save a whole lot of time. So, thanks everybody for watching. We'll put all this stuff in the Bel Air here pretty soon. We'll show you how it all works. Thanks for watching. Bye.